Hi, another project from Tulip Remodeling. We did here major renovation. To begin with, we did foundation work, retrofitting to be more accurate. We did a full kitchen remodeling, which include removing some load-bearing walls. We did interior paint, replaced all the flooring throughout the house, replaced exterior doors, windows, patio cover, exterior paint. We did new roofing for the house. We have a bit more to continue with, but you will see how beautiful everything came out. The client is super happy. We're very thrilled to show you everything.
I am so excited about the way this came out. Spoke with Aran at the beginning, and Adir came and set up the whole project. Something that I grew up in this house. I'd been dreaming about what I'd like to change as I continued on in my life, and then I had the opportunity to actually make those changes. So everything from the kitchen becoming part of the living area, the earthquake retrofitting, that was what started everything. The patio, the inside, the lighting, the roof, the air conditioning, which we'd never had in this house. All of the things that you'd kind of dream of from when you're a child in your home, and then all of a sudden it becomes a reality. And I'm absolutely thrilled with the quality of the product that I was offered and the choices that I was allowed to make. So I just couldn't be happier. I think this is an absolutely fabulous project. I was looking for a contractor and had had a couple people offer to do the job, but I wasn't really confident in their ability. So through a little bit of internet searching and that, I happened to find Tulip. I truly felt that God pointed me this direction, and it's been nothing but blessed since. One of the things that I was amazed at is that the communication, I was not able to be here all the time. I have a very demanding job, fantastic job, but it takes a lot of my time. And so I needed a lot of hand-holding, a lot of phone calls and texts and visits on scheduled times. And this was something that I was able to proceed with this project to this degree because I had that hands-on, face-to-face time and that extra attention that I needed. So with a project this big and something that was going to be not really quickly done, I'm amazed at the fact that the original projection that we made a year ago actually came forth literally 2 weeks in advance of what it was. So I'm phenomenally happy with that. The part that is really cool about having met this deadline is that everything met my expectations. Most of it exceeded my dreams. So that is just phenomenal in this world. If someone were to ask me about choosing a contractor, I would definitely recommend Tulip Remodeling. I actually have recommended them to several of my friends who were seeing how happy I was with this and the way that it was progressing and the relationship that I had with all of the people involved. And I would definitely recommend them.